Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies red velvet step by step. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line baking sheets. Cream room temperature butter with sugar until fluffy, then add cocoa, red food coloring, and vanilla. Beat in eggs one at a time, then fold in flour, baking powder, and salt. Scoop uniform dough portions, chill briefly, bake 10 to 12 minutes, cool on racks, then ice with cream cheese frosting. Gather ingredients and tools: all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, red gel food coloring, eggs, vanilla, baking powder, and salt. Have cream cheese, powdered sugar, and butter ready if you plan to frost. Use a cookie scoop and parchment paper for even shapes and easy cleanup. We'll talk timing, dough chill, and oven placement to get consistent soft centers and slightly crisp edges on each cookie. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, perfect for kitchen prep and messes. I'll link it and other handy deals in the description below, so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Bake cookies on the middle rack for even heat distribution, and watch the first batch closely. Rotate sheets after 6 minutes for consistent browning, and remove when edges are set but centers remain soft. Let cookies rest on the sheet for 2 to 3 minutes, then transfer to a cooling rack to finish setting. Finish with cream cheese, frosting, or dusted powdered sugar for a classic red velvet treat everyone will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.